Hey guys, good morning, happy Wednesday. I decided to make this video that just explains what you're supposed to be doing today, Wednesday, October 7th. This is your first day working completely remote. If you miss taking attendance virtually, I want you guys to know what I still expect you for, well, what I expect for you to do. So you guys are getting started by, of course, doing your bell work. You're going to do the Tuesday through Friday bell work. Okay, and then you guys are going to go work for about 30 minutes in your playlists. If you are someone who is not finished with your grammar practice and no red ink, that is what you're working on, okay? No exceptions. We need to focus on getting that wrapped up and hit our goals. Remember, whenever you're working in your playlist, if you finish one, and you do your performance assessment, you need to check with me before you move on to a new playlist, right? Because you need to get 85% or higher, 85% or higher to move forward, okay? So you can do this by emailing me, or you can always get on the Google Meet link during your hour and I will be available, okay? So you do bell work. Make sure you set a good goal for what you want to get done while you're working. Work for about 35, 40 minutes, and then do your exit ticket. You will do the Monday through Thursday exit ticket. Okay. Let's see. Let's go to the next slide here if it'll let me. There we go. So knowing when you need to move on, most of you guys are here in week 3. If you don't pass your growth test with an 85 or higher, you are still in week 3. You need to do another practice, okay? So you need to reach out to me, okay? If you get an 85% or higher, you can move on to week 4, okay? Week 4, make sure you're turning in your work in the week 4 submission. The information for that is in the week 4 intro video. I do expect for you to follow instructions there and then wait for my feedback on your grade for that before you move on. Okay, if you get an 85 or higher, you'll move to week 5. If you don't, we'll make some corrections until you get there. Okay, same thing, make sure with this week you're doing Newsela. There's a writing prompt for that. If you don't do the writing prompt, I will be reaching out to you because that's what I'm grading for week 5. Okay, you have to get at least an 85% on week 5 to move on to week 6. So make sure you're communicating with me. If you pass that, you will move on to week 6. It's already available for you in your classroom, all right? Reach out to me if you have questions. Hybrid learning this week, right here, we're on 10/7, Wednesday, October 7th. Everyone's remote, which means we're checking in every hour, okay? If you forgot, that's okay. That's what this video is for, okay? Tomorrow's parent-teacher conferences. If your parents want to talk to me, they just need to shoot me an email. Okay, and we'll schedule a time. We can talk on the phone, via video, or I can just send them an email. So let me know if your parents want to have a parent-teacher conference. They just need to reach out. Okay, and then Friday's no school. Thursday and Friday this week, you guys are not expected to do classwork. You absolutely can, but it is not an expectation. Okay. Really quick update. I went through yesterday and I looked at your guys' no red ink practice progress. Guys, we are making our way. Overall, we are 86% done. Third hour is almost 100% done. First hour is catching up. And especially you guys at the end of the day, you guys have been killing it, making great progress, and I expect you guys to keep doing that at home. Okay, keep working on it. Eventually, you are going to get there, all right, through your hard work. And it shows in your pre-test scores versus your growth test scores. Right now, we have an average of almost 63% growth. Guys, that's amazing, okay? You guys are averaging over 85%. You're 87%. That's great, okay? Keep up the absolutely fantastic work, all right? Please let me know if I can help you at all. You can email me. I'm here for you, okay? And have an awesome time learning independently at home. I know you guys have become just the best independent thinkers. So I have all the faith in the world in you, okay? So good luck and happy remote learning day.